8 sustainability ideas that are changing the world. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 8 powerful sustainability ideas that are changing the world and shaping a greener future for all of us. Let's go. 1. Circular economy. First up, the circular economy. Instead of a take, make, throw system, we now reuse, repair, and recycle. From recycled fashion to tech that's built to last, this model cuts waste and gives products a second life. 2. Renewable energy. Fossil fuels? Out. Clean energy? In. Solar, wind, and hydropower are helping us reduce carbon emissions and power communities sustainably, especially in remote areas. 3. Sustainable food and diets. Sustainable agriculture and plant-based diets are feeding the world without destroying it. Regenerative farming and eating more plants help cut down emissions and protect the planet. 4. Green buildings and smart cities.